of miracle. I know. Yes, I know. Too short. I am serving the God of miracle. I know. Yes, I know. I am serving the God of miracle. I know. Yes, I know. I am serving the God of provider. I know. Yes, I know. I am serving the God of miracle. I know. Yes, I know. I am serving the God of great battle. I know. Yes, I know. I'm fighting it. I am serving the mighty man in battle. I am serving the God of miracle. I know. Yes, I know. They said it's good news. I don't know. I am serving the God of miracle. I know. Yes, I know. I am serving the God of miracle. I know. Yes, I know. Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? I say nobody. Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? I say who can battle with the Lord? I say nobody. Pharaoh, let my people go. Pharaoh, let my people go. Pharaoh say, no, 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 no. I will never let your people go. Moses come. Pharaoh, let the people of God go. Pharaoh say, no, 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 no. I will never let you go. Until say, Pharaoh lose everything, he never let go. Until Pharaoh lose his only son. Monica, imana fajogo me here back. My people. What is the good news? They said it's good news. When I will play it now, you will see whether it's good news or it's not good news. We don't know what to call it yet. But I believe everybody, we are going to conclude to know what to call it. Please wait first. If you want to call in, call with my Netherlands number. Yeah, but not here. Wait, we have to play one. So Saif. I'm not saying they lock. They lock music, but I don't think she lock it on Facebook. How do you mean? Daddy cool. Okay, oh yeah. Me and my lovers, let's first of all play this one. Then I will now tell you guys. They said it's good news, but me, I don't know. So we have to. Enemy, you better beware. I'm living my life for JJ. I know they find trouble since 2019. But anybody will watch me, my destiny. Baba, oh, get into it. Battle every time, any day. Get into it. All away. Chase them, all away. And fire with them to muzzle. Until you win up with me. Until you wake up to muzzle. Until you win up with me. And you're not running when you do. Mami egeme, echo. Rome yeke. Orage no kia, orage no de. We can go with me. Very good thing they want to spoil her. Not on the fire. He won't want to talk me. Hey. He won't ya tie. Won't ya here. Oh, you rub by my side. Now we are made. Popola egbe. Monica they are there social media. Because you know we soon move on my money. They put all of them for one basket. I refuse to enter. Hey! All away. Chase them all away. Chase them all away. They go see same, only they got the fire. Two more evil, not they take your time. Oh lo. Bangada. When you get that in your boy, Korea will. You ya tie. Ya tap. Hey. Social media. I tell you what you won't say here. One after another. My people, this one, they say not good news. This one are breaking news. I'm having me gonna there. Oh yeah, make a show my yo. I just did this evening, oh my people. Somebody just run call me. Monica. Enter live video. Go. In the yeah. What knowing? What's so knowing? Why betana? Wait till they talk. Why am I there? Banana. This one different. My sister, they go. Now I say where? He said YouTube. Now go there. As I don't really reach there, I just see that they cry. But the video they say good news. Now I say, why is your quick good news? About cry. What did he say? It happened. Now I say me at the recon me at the see rest in peace. Oh, rest in peace. Me. My people, now I hear the woman say, make I play and be gay. Me I play and be gay. Oh yeah, me I play with I go here. The person, as he just talk the thing finish, he just die. Person call for live video, he just die. Where be me gboni the mona hear wetin they talk when he die. And the person say good news. Me understand because me I not be person where they too more happy say bad thing happen. But the person where put the thing, he said now good news. Me they why judge me nothing. My people, my lovely people, not there here. Oh yeah, I'm not listening. They want to quickly record for each side. My people, I don't know whether you understand. Me, I play am again. Una understand what happen? Una understand what happen? See, they say you get one Ijore member, whether they call choir master. Okay? The choir master, Ijore say for some time now, whether since 1 year, he no get work. He like to they call this boy, Frank Victor, show. He always they call there, yere jo, amos to mi oto, eru wala amos to do movie, o mone kanye baby, o salo buaji no jorion we se negbo kave mi nere ne foa, unwa ya tae, iga bata okian base, unwa ya tae, era mi jeme hian tu wamu, I jesu no gie no wani, dan no en webe ne kwaya master na je mame mi okpani we, e mi nu yebe je no ase, jeme yon vawon. Oh, va on do get le wune because madam we good news, man, good news. Maybe your man don't carry a henia. Cause o man ga wu, even with Jesus he wu taye vie. O when ya madam we vio, or why vio we a pada, or why here ya gboro ye we. Or we pada, or why here but we good news. Who you wa? Or what we twag be? Or where he say this man for the past 1 year now. Na choir master to Ijore platform. He know they work. So because of that, he like to they call for Frank Victor show. He go just call for Frank Victor show. Eru wala kon carry J boy. Everybody see. So they can't even this particular one way just call whether they said nah this evening so. Now you just kukuma start with Ajebo. Say since when this matter happen, Ajebo no kill me. Ajebo no join them make it they draw my leg. Ni make it now move make binya on him or madeba. Now he talk say Ajebo no be good person. Ajebo na fake man. Ajebo na lie man. You know say Ajebo no beat Monica. You know say Ajebo no draw Monica because Ajebo he want do a kweku temata. Everybody will get eye. See say J-boy na papa wala picking. Why Ajebo no talking? As he just talking, the next thing he just start. He just me na wetin ya gbọ́ pabo. Ona we are here make belle video ya gbeji. Ona we saw that no man say Monica boy. Ona we amamu wayoto wayopo wa mi you wayoto wa mi wayoto only for sure Nikki. This is just example we if you were here okpoma. More time Monica. If we you wa here okpoma. Wa. Hey, no question your mind. O mu se hian cause we show adia. Umie calamity no a way to wa bete gi wana de he. E calamity no a way to wa. Wana on ah. E wane na tade degbe. Ah bia ha. O kwa bia America. E ma won e de we mo si jo egbe. 4 children na bia ibi America. So mo pa no. Iyan wana we dating no ma bia man saying. The first one if he not go prison, the second one they bonbon for anything bonable they go. The third one okion danyo. The last one a shower. We no ma bia mama sa ma be miok pa ya zokpa we buivi. E ya horoji yon wawa angel word. E ri okion ga jenu wa. Wa miok bon we buivi wa. No ma la re yo to. Wa rakbon. Wa vie nya we. Ah, e baba meye kwe mu me de. E me na zingbe ne. O we ni zingbe ni rakbon no we e live video ne ya na dere no e mi nu wa ya hin. No ye ma gbe wa. Ah, e hero kyan ke. E se ti geli na ni nu wa to na ga e mata. Agbon ama wa. O ne mata. Hey, ogbenye ga le enye na gbo le. God, this one where God do for live video, I think it's a message. This one where God do for live video, it's a message. Me wanna listen again. I be woman very now. Ah, choir master. Ave wo ma veri ana choir master. Imi nu je ni je mi ana gbukpo poju on. E imi nu je nu ana le imi la imi gbagwe ne nu ari agbon. Ne mi na gbon ma we gbe ni ebe ma we gbe be imi. We na akufu abe imi. Esun imu we uwe azozo wo te imi nu we jeni. We uwu dana uwe shame and disgrace. Uwe live video nu we guna. Okay, I'm saying in we yeri na koso eko boko ihe ya gwe imi agbu we gbera wu. Ere wa jena. Udege he don't die now. Before we come know say since 1 year, you know they work ideas. You see that's why most callers igualo e callers in egbo be callers no ma se pat e party ni ya mi e period di efua. Ah call we wa ma gbon call we na. We me ge ehun we also in the platform where yana ye fiete wana oge boilo. Ge ma no call wa ma no ma enwi na since 1 year. But o mi eri enu apart from evil. Mona listen yo, it happen na at a spot. And the reason why I dey talk this one, my people, is just say good news. Oh my God, is bad news. Even if the person now when my dede died, 133 years old. A bad news here no ve de na time in my ya fe. Aya tiegbe ana avie. What? Maybe me onona. This is not good news, but I don't know. I don't know what did their ministry be. All this whole thing, my people. Aga mwe bok be ma wa lenia. Iyan juwa degboa every month I am ya go a platform. Sabani lao. Oh, you want with good news. Mona listen again, Mona listen. This person where I want play voice so he just died now. When he did phone call for live video, can I contribute? Mona listen. As he just they talk for live video, now the thing, the God of Fisher Land, the God of Edo, my God where they serve. Where my papa and my mama don't know, where know me, where choose me, where saying go fight for me. Hello? Okay. I don't know when, whether na 2 days ago, na name you the person they do na on in talk. He did there. Na in they talk. Mona listen. This person call for live video say make I contribute. Now he start to they talk. As he just they talk, he just they talk. He can't tell by himself, George said. He say if you talk lie, you go die. If you talk true, you go die. Either na truth kill am so or na lie kill am. Me we be Monica say na lie kill am. And that lie we kill am, it go still kill am for anywhere we dey. For you, if it not be bad thing, but you see what na they do me. Hey, who wa manari we dan when ye Monica. Hey, ire nueve nu ya reme because e mon re nu was all bore nu wo ga mama fu. Ah mama di mama ono na no wa gufu na ne akwe di me oni ya gufu be your papa emi am wa kunjin agbe oh ni no mo do akọ but that we are yo wa we are yo wa keke a live video na ya na so wa bet live video wa na wo pe na ke ni ke yin mi wa be inwine re especially logo me mo na ye. That's my J Bobo. Can you imagine? People with the two people word. Me, I play and get my people. He just call or he just start to the talk. And this one, a person where they say they sick kidney. Udege where people where they call you never neck bog be. Ni only see what the leg be area me. Ni mu wari ya gweze. Also wa me platform de mani bonamo ni do me I can call talking winere. Wa me platform ni yan bo yan yon wa yan yon bo e boroboro agmi yan sono sono eja wa ejige ke yan gbovoma because of yan mama ni ya. Una de year, my lovely people, all my prayer warrior, Jovia, God will bless you. God will bless you. Jovia do 7 days fasting and prayer. I not join now. Only she know what she see. She start to do it. Say, Mama, somebody will die for this matter. I say, okay. They will die for the matter. They will continue to die for the matter. Because only death now go keep them quiet. No sickness, but only baba. Bebe no why I wanna baba waka bo jeme. Una hienya je live video. Baba ka bo wa jeme. We say gazuno gag bese me yak no we. Baba ye gbelian ni bon. So fa imari mo sisi. Gume hienya de bason. Uma hion go bien. Iya ye be mi o vobalo. O ve ya hin. Hienya baba ne baba luinya me hey me we will luinya baba too much hey Jesus this audio is going to be what is that they call a commercial break for a very long time. This is a testimony. When you ask me, Monica, who is your God? I will say is God of thunder and fire. Is the most high God, the God of vengeance, the God that say, hold your peace, and I will fight for you. I will strangle them for your sake. I can't wait. Ni do have mono. E money ya beg beligian. E call us. Why they go scot free? Wanu don't call us. Wa e mi aveni wa mi unwo. Be wa ya call yen in wa mai. O hian do one. Again, who can know how this one take bad? How me na only in one go they call everywhere. You say Monica enemy they too plenty you. You na see am. Oh me kenana mo Monica ikawa o hian ma egin o kakpa yagbona re me. O ma mudia no doge surprise ya gbe pelu pijua o ave hian me hian suwa enwa no wa mi okoko. Iti hian gari enwa. Yes. Wa so we me and we me yagbe pada o in wa affect me ego of your me what concern me hey Jimmy, because of another person matter say me oh mama because of another person matter nine God of heaven he holy truth nine the gods of Ishala na him na we ona we kan wa jun temo mona e mo mona wa ku wa ke no mo enju wa bo hey ogbenye len enyi ale kan e gbagbe oku wa no mo enju wa bo me I show na smoti the person wey give una this matter una dey talk dey go we una don dey die put now una don die for live video put see Okay, see. Eh? Okay. Person wey put am for una hand. He tell una say, Monica tell solicitor. Solicitor no be wetin dem dey call am. No be lawyer. Solicitor na clerk. Solicitor na office. Solicitor no get level. Solicitor mona see your own solicitor. Mona see am. Mona go type am. No say blessing go type am because na Google the typewriter gang e dey. He said, see our lawyer say, we have received the email below. This is what we received from them. That you, umieni, o tutu kalabanu mula social media. Umaene, u ate kano, u kano, me ije ropa. But he made sure, he ma uweho. Because of that, especially via tometi, what tometi viwe. I bae na tai, una umemiho. O avien everywhere. Eve na bata umyogogo. Moe Monica. O ya ne o manu if anu eva we. No we me nyanya. Me na unwa. I don't know the. Ya ne ya. Ya ne ya. E ni a ta mi me. O maso no. Beti ni me ta mi ya. O sunu pai. Why? Ima we ya ho. Imaria bien. Mona siao. He said, we have received the email below from Gordon and Thompson solicitor. Morafoka. Why you can't go take solicitor? Why solicitor office near the... Okay, you two don't go take, no, we no pay. Your own, now you say, now, God, do you see how you always disgrace yourself? You always disgrace yourself. When you take bring go to Calabasi and now people don't they die put for live video. This is unbelievable. How can somebody just die? Make it call live video. Now ordinary. See platform where they go sing for. Platform a member na wulo one. Every year me go ne member who say have the platform ne. A member work with good news. Somebody you know you wire there. Mugus. When a kidney problem, you go back again. Go the drink salt. Alele. Bye. You know even fear. You go the talk to my own son. Ije ge asani mi ayak buwe na me baba na mi awak pa na yin ke na na tie yin ya yak buwe va mi awa amudi akogwe ba koso mai hianre u ke se egbe ne mi na mi lajo wa u gbe mo pa ni agbuwe va sona ekwaya wa e dede gbe ya agbuwe mi nu jeni wa ya mi ba gbon wa tie ya lelegbe agbuwe pa. Okay, my people, otutu Calabar we tell una say na Alpha and Omega for social media, in a this and that. Gordon, Gordon, and Thompson, solicitors. How can I solicitor with a yari? Me te wo hianrie loja. Why you they follow my nyash? So you know if you fit do more than me. You still go take no pay no win because I don't check una this thing. Una also get no pay no win for that. Hey, I go typewriter, go and type it out. Where me win na? I go typewriter. Come and see you. Their lawyer is negotiating. It will be on live video. We go to tell now another thing. Please give us some time to come up with something. You must go that couple. You must go. You go. Umaemi. Ogwe. Mami no pari emi nanya. Eki amuse muze we. Iwe mo time a muze no na bata. Oh, Jesus. No, they talk like that. Oh, even if money full everywhere, you don't need to throw away. Now, for you, not throw away because you need and make you take it. For me, no be throw away. I beg. People where they use money, they do juju until somebody die. You will contact they say they throw away that money. Now, their heart desire. Please, so everybody, I work so hard to get my heart desire. My heart desire is one of these to draw her. We go no say Passport, na paper. You see documents and money. You go here winner. I'm a be. Passport with bad man. You are done. So at the end of the day, na solicitor. Now you just the sense. She be una say solicitor na no pay no way. Why you ye solicitor ya o? What's the way man wa take the bibi gwan? Shame and disgrace always falling at your side. Can't you see? Can't you see shame and disgrace? Always falling at your side. Where will you take solicitor? Why? Why will you take solicitor? The money where they fair give you, you go write letter. That one can mudi. In short, anyway, I don't have battle with you, but the battle is between you and God. And you know I tell no say it's between you and God. The way God is solidly behind me. If you see the sign, you go know. So, my lovely, wonderful people, una still want to hear the audio, but una don't hear. Are you just coming? Do you want to hear the audio? I play it for you to hear again. I just want to tell una that one say, nah, thank you so much, Lulu. Nah, this thing I go take. Also, nah, for a life. Imagine case we never reach court, you don't take out to 3 lawyers. No, we are a court. Area yaga drop it. We make case in a room where you always war, we crazy. Case never go court. Me, I still get my one solicitor. Your own, every letter is different solicitor. Why are they rejecting you? I'm betting one on social media. What here? From motivational to betting, na me want that him. Na me want na chuchu you, tie you, pimp you, kwe you. Eriwa kwekwe, wa kwekwe wa bawe. And not the answer anyway. And not the answer anyway. All this your friend for UK. They not they even fit tell you what to be the UK safe. The one where they just they tell you now. You don't get better friend. You can never have better friend. It's over. When I left, I carry all the good friend ever. You will always see deceiver in your life, just like you. They will deceive you, and kill you. Now, so where they will do you. No see anyone where fit tell you better thing with the UK. They just the way you walk, we are go. Oh man, okay. I say that. Why I say that now with George? Look at my makeup. I make up more than how she's a market woman. I maybe. Or now by screenshots. If you reach there, tell them say you are the best screenshotter. That you screenshot me everywhere. Best screenshotter. So my people, make I play am again. Me I play am again on a listing. Una mama wanna the support. He go take solicitor, another one. Case me se call. U aru ha. We wari na. Ya wari leve tan. Ya we bad luck. We am we bad luck is gbe. You know say if lawyer lose case, it's a bad luck for him. You dey crazy, you dey mad. No know your mate. Next time for your life, if you feel get here for this one, next time you go know. Say no be bad. Also, so about him the moment no seti logo na mume. Oriyan ni keshin kiyan ravie. Oh, I don't feel God use this money. You dey throw away. No. My own is not throw away. My own is my heart desire. I don't care what I spent on this thing. She will wreck if she cannot spend. So I love her. Keep donating for her. It's none of my business. It's a case. You know, they can't tell person say, where do you want a wicked? And no. I want my justice. I want my justice. I want my justice. Claire. Thank you so much, my lovely people. My people, especially all my prayer warrior. Me, I play them again. Thank you. Daddy cool, I will send it to you. It's going to be our commercial break. Added to Cry of Melissa. Idio wano. Monya ripada. The ripada. Monya. The real victory. Someone that worry me, that trouble me, is in the grave. On top of the matter. On top of the matter. See, the first time for me, Robbie Pada, the real victory is mine. Pada there, okay, get don't love you. It's just a good news. So good news is not here doing that. The real victory is mine. Asae, oh, ekwaya. Ije good news no. Ije good news no. A platform na yo ma ya degbe. Yen na tie bo na yen ma ye hon mi o wa ya wulofo. Okpa we wu vedere no ke we wu vedere. O na wa ya like social media na. Since this social media where they do this salt and water. People wey don't die, not be the one where they die for Nigeria. Now someone shifted that the way also they drink water. Monica gbe pada igi o epatek gbe ya gbe ne giame o ma me mi on pa ni wiyan go test social media o se wo se guide o sanera me aji no jori we se negbo kan se wo se guide Inwino se was a set up with social media. Now this social media. Now people they quarrel for inside, they go record down, they go bring down, we go set one and go finish. I want call happen. In a way, I can't be Monica. You want me go and one me. He was dig 650, me a dig 18. No, only me trip. He must to triple even me. But he we for when I well. But he even we worry any me. Ha, he buy we are lie. Na bata. See as I resemble my sister. You walk in mode ba me. Ba me pada je mode da wa gu na la wo gume ya san ya gbe. Gume yi ekoboko wa bi je me. Wa ka body e bi je ne va wa sie o wa ka bo gbe. Wa ga ri gbe. Ije o ka bo gbe je mo wo ni geje bo. U gbe. Ije umana gbe ya gwi ka bo gbe gin yan we sa ba me la o. Insho yen ti sekenije meje. Ti sekenije meje je o gavi igele sun buyan no ya gbe o doge. E kwa ya master we yen kwa no si wan yin ave platform na mo bogbe ebo egbe na mo bogbe o je ya degbe. On we good news. Na don't hear that can't before. Since when me did this social media, nobody don't ever come me one day say, Monica, my mama will be the wash you don't die. Old women, I never hear one day. Not to talk of say, that woman where I don't know, that lady will be the call for my platform. She be no, he don't die. Etone with my yak, but no for my yas, especially money when me no money. Ronnie, why when he done it, Royan woman, me yagu, or my consigning. Because ma gagné mi dan e mi no ma muri social media ye ko wunya una ga e bat kola we e colleague we na e we winere ogwalo wa mi emu winere to gbon wa right from time winere to gbon wa is a parable in Benin e ne re awekerekera time oge social media na iwa jena iyan wetin yan wa wuju and yan hian mi wujo me una mo ni mi uma na wujo Unwege ime we mana wojo we amemi no gubo de ija sugu maybe sin God we pon come on for you no even sabi write English na wa be you abagbo ya kin jore member no mieke na rerewu oh you see an ogun ya block on my way oh Jesus Oh my God. Hell, I will open you that person. Sansin wa lemi we wa ya va. Ekwaya master ve imi ni winere ana gbo wa bagbon. Gwa wu wari yo boye ni winere reve social media. In winere matter na go kill na for this social media. Si take this one artist sport. You don't see person where they okpe na keta. Ogwe kola ni ije boy la jan ve derio. Ona wo mi yen no gudo tie kola mu. E kola e bona penu wa. Ebona penu wa no kologe dani waro ni temi na wu wa mase wa no yetine presenter dan o ya we mi dan ama wu wa no wari go jo pe pa no re Canada yan wari go je e sponsor e mwebogbe we already wu ne we ni awo ko ge nya we no wo kan we ge nya we Canada na pe abi ko na we na mi go wo kun we o ye gbasha wo we Canada ko so ma go e bon we already wu ne o pe no kan gi gbashawo muna ogbune we Canada ami okeke we edenu awu because it dege ni wo ka wu ke mu must to ka wu ke me because wo mo me wo pay yo so wa ka wu idiwe ni nu deni edenu awu free of charge can ya gbe rest peace no e gbe mi we yo ya wa gbe yo he make sure you make a mistake he gbon rest pieces a mistake can ya no beni ure la video una no be church get fathers. I not joke, oh. I not joke. Since last year, now I don't swear. Any church get fathers because I never see church get live video one day. But church get fathers. Now they scatter this social media. You may be near 1 million no maba. You may be near 100,000 near ba. Uwa. Then why scatter social media? Area that no why scatter. Wa na hian no way. Not a titi na hian. Area ije. Area wa hian. Wa bet. No matter you boy any social media nare. No ye mweri ya sheshe get no ye call any presenter. Ime etu wa me hotel etu wa do we avat. Ah? Ivya wa be game e hotel ye mure gume wa va ivya de mure betinya inyo rototo o betiya no sunu. Wa mio e. Wa mi go gwa no wa boy keke akamu waju we wa keke ne we ohu wa keke be no wa onu wa ya mo wiviere area ohu wo ya keke you wa. Come on for here. I will bet you are seeing the way you even take come here not cause to go block another person for your head because we must to I bet you are oh she useless speaking. You the type they go now you don't know where your own they follow you. Bad idiots. Eh? I pin her or I block her. I'll pin her come over there. Rubbish. Okay, my people. Me I play music. Me I play am again. One more time. Wanna see how it take die in action of calling. Eh? How it take die in action of calling in winere. So bad. Whether you feel the sick or not, your death is not supposed to be useless like this. Mana mwe bogbe. Manigelewe mi dana mwe bogbe. Waga genya that they use on they buy. Come and buy. They are using on they buy. Ye total evi rock pa me wi waya wulo fo ibi beleka na wo 28 years, no ke awo 35 years, no ke awo 32 years. Wa horo wa enwe wa we ewe e ban wa en umere no na business ma ware ma upoke wa gbarun etin wa wo platform wa ijin ama weri ama odo igbiyan odo ma igbiyan wa emi ami udu igbiyan emi ami we igbiyan ume igbiyan kidney igbiyan cancer igbiyan leprosy igbiyan sanera le ha. Hello? Madam, not to say na your matter killer if they sick. My dear, I be tell you say na make it long. As I come and so, come rejoice for person wey just dey talk my matter, my pikin matter, because I need one no pokpoma. No pokpoma, o kaka wu no ma. No pokpoma ma wune, iyen kwe ne gbe oko ma. So, erun wa nania. Ita, iwuna, o waya no, aso o to. Nu wadi o we nyan, nu wana toge, nyan, iwun waya asa usa. And they, why your meo? E padana, why miwe e tone kui. Na te eju wa we toa. Ay, cover me with blood. Oh, why ya joto? Oh, why ya aso sane? Oh, piano ko no we I, o ma no wu. Monica na wa gogo, wo wa tememe. Ugwe ni dano. Ugwe ni dano. O ami emu ogo weti siwe. U mana gbegbo e wane. Uge mi ogo. Emu oge na amu bawe. Wa guao. Wa miwe. Wa ringwi no wa miwe. O tama we gbegbo a. Gbegbo. Venu mana gbegbo ane. Uge mi ogo. O yo bowe. U ya gbeli wa yo egbo. Una we. Ona ni sunu. E platform ona sunu na ya we good news. Iya we good news vododo. Me ma we good news. So pokpa no aneru ne no pokpoma. Ama we no wa wuyo at the spots. Oje we na ge no pokpoma no we ya we. He just blow and just die. Me una hear he talk now. Me una hear he talk. Me una hear this man talk. As this man bad rich. Me una hear this man talk. More than 1 year, this man refused to come on map for what he don't know. For pikin where he no born. Ou when e bono na nege fian wa. E bona wa fian we man yeve ro ni jevo e te ya ye fian wu ve na ro e osu no be live video o ma su no be live video ahian muya yo to u level here. No na listening. Imagine. Can you imagine? I'm a normal there. Can you imagine? Why you not tying wire so to o sa u level can you just your thing u level can wire la water wire no we wa tying ono guy matter wire make we o ga manuwa o mana matter emi na ni nu wa nu wa tying ni wa ga same yegbe emi ane ne dia gbe no humiliate someone can right person wa cause na ke ni wa na ta na ke ni wa na gbe mi be le area wa no ajino joro we se negbo kan yo work aba se dan yo me gbere o be ni ragbon na baba ne baba e yo se dan go me mo bo o se dan no do te mi no ri gbe me nana mi e wa gbon ge te hon e yo se dan go mi aro o se dan no ri no ya me hion wa dan mi wu ne la wo baba because mi wu gan na we dey learn for this thing so see am person wey they follow since we be choir master na come bring and come and we wa down yo wa ma down yo wa ge no yata ota ene ni gbe pe ajino jorion we se negbo kan gbe ma veri na abo so maria gbon na abo si o ma ni o si o ma no da o na abo se ni gboma o feniri o ma feni o ma papa ima yan ni wa ge yan veri o me dagbo aji no jori on we se negbo kan ai ke miere gbe veri osunu da me egin aro me dagun o se no do na me wi we ga mi oke wu baba ne baba vian hiare me jesu no ga aji no jori on o se no wari record da me no wa record ge no mi post ge na we good news oh jesu no ge lawo we ge ege gun me mo bo I reject o se don na mi e social media mi o me ne ge we gbe mi forever ara ya mi o se le gbe me baba ne baba no re social media ki an viogun mi wa yin locate mi o ge dan no ro baba mi o ne u pa for 10 years o ge me tewu egbe me we gbe mi ege o se dan we gbe ge me je o se dan ko mi e wi la ke mo ni ke ge mi o de la se ke ni je ve ni je so ve no ga try se ge mi o de la re o ga je mi me ge we mu o ga de mi me ge we mu o ga ji ko mi ye we mu ma ge se ti we me gbe because of my dying. Every spirit of bomadan your my gbere papa ne papa ye legame. Spirit of bomadan your my gbere ye legame. Be madan your my gbere agian sikeme o. Wadame ose o. Ose na gbaro waragban gibune. Ose ni ogi we gume pe ege wa ma ke no na wa wo. Ose pe mi na mi ori ogogo me o baba. La o abo se dan ya fe ni ri o boyo si me dan yeke. Eri o se dan ya gun ya vi. O se dan se dan ya rien ga ze veni Jesu Christi no nyama o sori e la diani getin salo bo we se o nu na ri o se dan niyan e platform me no na sunu o e na so ga mo platform gbo why eri god of ishana ya na mo gba eni kai sha ya na birin ego because eni kawe do ya mo eri ane e social media ya mo eni kawe do ria eni kawe do ya giwe ya ma giwe ni no eni kawe san wa wonu na eni kawe san okuyon ona ye friend baba kwa se dan ro ame o be ni ragbon na because o se na me ragbon na yan mo ma jo to ba agune la wo kwa se dan ro ame be ni ragbon na ni mi ke na mo siesi evi agune baba ni ga mi o se no do na me ni ga mi o se no do tie e last party ni jo ye be ni sagengi ya tuwe be no dongi ya kungo la wo baba go me amo se paparazzi o ya me ke wo la wo baba Jesu no gi ya hian gu be gbedede gbo mai la wo we go se dan gu ya re ko so se dan ya ro ye mu ye life okay ya mo ye life abi ya ni mu e dioma je life ibo ya wo eri ya mu abo se ya jo wa bi egbe social media na e mani buni we live video ni mi ate do na that one I be one can do for night this thing say make una dey careful many presenters have nothing to lose una no dey see their life una no dey see many presenters life hell they have nothing to lose. Their life is so empty and bitter. They can't even put it together. They are out here to shatter everybody on. You think say presenter not they know who pass am? Eh? You think say presenter no know who pass am, but you they ever see presenter where they agree say somebody pass am? No. The one where you even pass, you go see one where they rent room. This man, I'll go record and come. This man, they say he rent one room for Yoruba. For Yoruba man, can you imagine somebody that is talking to my J-boy? J-boy that is already a landlord in UK. Now somebody, they talk to my son. If they talk to my son. Meanwhile, as in your old rich so, one room. Now he rent for somebody else. Even when me dey young girl, me married to one room me get. Then why I me experience one room, he lady a second thing. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. One room at this time of abroad. This is not even person where government don't give us to. I hear me government I che government as this one room. Talking to my son. Talking to my son. Una say many presenter. Now I be one come to this evening. Oh. Say many presenter my people where they watch us. Please make sure you are really looking at them. If it's fun for you, me I cannot even watch rubbish for fun. I can't watch rubbish. Is it that you are funny or you are making sense? I do not watch platform that say rubbish. I swear to God. If you are a mineral, I cannot even watch you. God forbid. I rather go to where somebody is just cooking, or where somebody is just funny, or where somebody is giving back to who give to her. It's okay. One time. But where it be say platform, where it be say, Maria Walker, don't want to get one, let's don't fail, don't ma fail, who say we are with you? Iyon walk go me jeme. Niye menuta. Can you imagine, my lovely people? Now live video demand for contribute. Not be live video there for the player. Eh? Please, my people, all these presenter way we una they look. I beg, mona really they sell it. Even me. If I disgust you, don't look. Don't you love your sanity? Even me. If I'm not somebody that make your spirit to ginger, don't look. Because me, I rather look funny thing or look something else than to look what is none of my business. Don't encourage in winner on social media because spiritually it's killing them. Most of the time, I wait to kill them where make them come where they go see why they'll say now black. Waiting kill many presenters. Look at since 2 years now, presenter don't have topic. All of them. All they have. And the one we go even get topic create you, una not go look at. Una not go look at. Because many of them are not wuveriana. Ni anju me gbeloane, gbe kidney, gbe kia. Iyan relive video, iyan owa. Ewa ni rente one room. So bo sevi me ona vie mommy daddy ave magbon mani me mongeje mani winai mano bosso abi ku iko ni ro wodo no ne ku so to e single mother ni yo bo wa wo po ma be single mother e baba na re ya gunme ave ni o wo ni ro ave one room single mother ave bon bastard ave mani yo wa ba duro ni temi no se yen ni re libiona viogian ni ke. Please, my people, Mona, not forget, my pay show is coming on Saturday. Please, and it's £20. Please, my people, it worth it. We're not done it. I don't even know, say this one they come. I think say that one safe. Now it be. If you see revelation, where they pay show where I want to do. Please, my people, God know the God review to redeem. The reason why God is bringing all this revelation for you guys, he loves this generation. Just yesterday for you, that they could preach about the coming back of Christ. How brutal it will be. How people will deceive you. And it will come, everybody will be destroyed if you don't change your ways, my people. My pay show, please, not to say money to more, and God bless people that have been paying. It's a wow. I know my Monica lover never fail me, so but no bless you. Please, my people. God bless you. Please, if you have not paid, go and pay. If you can't pay direct, I bet make a quick go pay. Go pay, mommy. Please. If you can't pay direct, pay with Nigeria account. Can you imagine Nigeria money now? How useless it is. So now when they carry on a wet, go Nigeria. I just they do like this. Because is that a way? Imagine 2021, 20 euro is almost 11,000 naira in Nigeria. 2021. How old are you? You are not going to Nigeria next year. You are not going in 10 years' time. Before you want to go to Nigeria, how much will Naira be? How that country go be like? Why worthless, already worthless in never women. 20 euro. 20 euro is now 10,000 plus. Hello? Where's CJ? Somebody deba. This my color. Oh my God. Ijore. Iya wu go do we. Emo ma no gu na gogoji. Emo ma no gu na gogoji. Ijore we ma gbe poda we gani no vi zobo na wu. We ma wu go gbo vi zobo. U take time. Ego me ya wolo wela dia. What take your time? U fuck up in no. A platform where woman no call you go and see one when na wu. Una ya record de ke no na wu. A platform where ona wu life. When ma you no tie kwa keka. Very o when I record de mure una go gbe ata we wa do dame o u tie o na gbenjo we ma mi enwine una gie we o ma wu e na ni ore live video e delete o adu jere jore ana mie wege no vi zobo na wu una gogojo u ga nwame ana mie wege no vi zobo na wu uwe gogojo don set de na ho we ye ta we ye gogogo wo gbo vi zobo joro una we ni ga gogojo go be o ma no wa temo bi no u o sa pa me na wa hion ona hien le ka ona ju we temo bi me uwe ni ga gogojo gi agogojo ma tanu ana mie we uma gogoje o vi zobo no gu o manu beta ga mie gogogo ye mi zobo no gu ga nwa me isa ga pe la dian avec boy ura mwame o hie mi ame no ura mwame u mi ove ijoro ga yo we yo to e o se lo pa na ye kan we gbe e hia manu e sete gege u ya o egbe re na uri nu we ye me nare u levo hia bo logo we no ga gogo ime o je no ya gogo ye ni zobo obi zobo go bi zobo gu uzuo ogi suwe gbeneni ha wado fia were ta aja na emeso no ama osaloba ni abiese de yan gele ama ge emeso no ama ejo emeso no ama ni nya idomie we yan magele bie we me get emeso agbe powder when we no see the emeso na agbe powder because when you no tie severe your way tell ma hin aragbin yan yo bi yan mu bi yan ju widi eni na nya ido sunu we gbe emeso no ama ugwe no ma ge do gogo everywhere jia opposite eru no mana no ma anane wa ne ru dada mo ga opposite no man rice o megbe o ga danu junwe ya mo ta come on shut it there you wa vie va wa no wu we o gyo wa no wu we platform we Womo la dia megete on, megu menwe. Mege. Womo la dia. So, bene. Because ovi zobo no wu ya said na we u ye claim where wo be uga gogo uga we aga mi u gogo yo vi zobo mami no where una we ni mege gogo ma no wa temi me ona wa yun tai jore unwon togbo gba we ne except to return when we ya tabe ba ni no return o ma na return agbon le ni adomi egbe gomiza hian ga no ikpe bokpo nye dame eni bue ade ta what do you know where you're not avieve we dogun ya gogo me ma abieru we ya gwizobo vie eto we ga gwizobo gogo wo we no gu na gogo ji we ma gogo bi zobo a e ba nu mi ana so atogbo e ana mi egu gogo yo bo no gu we do umi togbo e aga mi egu gogo yo bi zobo umi atogbo gba we ne no ari agbon ado kwoni no ama o aneru kakabo nu bieso kwoni no ama because no mana biese eve soro no do gbe pada nda okmanu ya nwa no bi o give away egbe wo kan na sunu eve so no ama we ikweso eri yan yo bian mo bian yo to ana ibe mi ego de no ma be bie o ma ke be mi omo eteve so abe gogo because omo rubbish. Why when we tell you to work here, why can't ta? Uzua, you give me 1 million. Bomb. Uge mama ne mo bokbere 1 million ya go zero sea. Abi uge me ba e mu ame ni ma onje baba ni gwalego we. Abi mu ame ni yebo. Ta! O se bonire. When me igu zebu we me ke me jege na ya we me we bo igu zebu. Me mana me present ane no gbebe ni me gbe o tewebo. Talk to my black ass. Me can't naira. 20 naira is 10,000 naira. Imagine. Mini 2,000 will be 1 million. I don't do that. Ima favor do. Igwa le fodo. Ina fe fodo. Berani. Understand? So, wow, when I turn, I will turn after all, in the social media, I get the saga and rotation. A versus B, B versus C, C versus D, D versus E. Wow, when I be vene, U versus P, ever ready Monica. What we will do me, wa me man, wa gwati egbe bogu weni, me gwati but me wa me wa mo ya ye len gume do wan iye gume man nwe awon iki wa jo to vun yen vun nwe wa ja me vun yen vun nwe wa jo me vun yen vun nwe me wa me man wa vun ni me akpo mi dere rubbish mo da ke na me we na bi evoke ke no avie na ga ogie ozua e platform we yan gulo wa dedegbe o man ne mi no revo wa do we me ne me gbu e u ga gume we me we am eke de leji. God no man idiot. When no go anybody awu. When no go bo awu. When no go awu. When no go yo isobogu. We be mi nu we ya gun ano ma ge gogo. Bo ma wu. Alongside with oh work pe. O se negian. God bless you ma. Yeah. Okay. When no go you were they happy when person go there. Now you they talk. Because say now under zone. If you change them for my I go change them for your head. I go so change them for your head. You no go believe you. You understand? So take your time. Just they cry your cry for them. If cry, let you cry. Now, after all, na good news. The man who good di, have a been with your hand, we good di. My wow, we good news. And then we are with good news. My yard, when a live video with there. Or when the team are holding, and when we go your hand, but a good news, I celebrate because me, I told you, say 133 years, when I vision and a promise us about anything. Okay? can you, somebody die, you say, good news. Good news for where? Say your platform every 2 months, people, they die. I been a lie. Who not die of womb, you go die of cancer. Who not die of cancer, you go die of e-tester. Who not die of e-tester, go die of kidney. What is wrong with that platform? Come on. Yeah, isagi jesu pe platform nige ume. Ume gaginya ya biefo u yireba. Yare platform we. Miskare ye be. Ya ma iga levi no what we are go boo. Ou ene nyegi ou va 100 what you think? Isa gema lare vi non fo alare. Ha! Rubbish. So, my people, I just dem a deal. Anyhow, I do this man. Jure, no concern you. But if you want me to concern you, no problem. You see Monica so. Oh, here I learn today. You understand? Look me. I know be like those you can bribe with your money. You can bribe all this in social media. You understand? Call it and go near. When you have so when you got so near me now way. Emi na oh me emi no ma ya dele yo. Okay? Rigo we done yan ya gbe platform. U gbe ya ye mune gbele ya platform. U gbele ya platform. U ye ya hiene mu ya go manu we mu dia na wo ga re nu so no wa mu dia ne. O gwale 5,000 ke kan be there yo. Me wo la wo ri ye ne. U la wo ri ye ne. O ma la wa nurie no na ko una ile una igawe video against eri mo bo because uye ya hine we uye ya hine unde uye ya hine mune ye we menoro awa mami e one basket na kun wayaji ni me van me be mgwe ni wa mure ama weti me ado van ama be biazini no dan me rie mejo no te ade we ya jam me mejo ina rie non sleeve rien nega short sleeve igi fian bo na fian li papa until today oh ye so here beti mama mi opa ni we iwa tama we buyan ni ge were ni ajo we have nothing come I better go there. So my people, please don't forget, come it's a show. In short, I'll go pick this guy. Oh, come join us. The one well na no here. Wait, so well, body feeling and all of them. He record there your top. Oh my wow. Percy, he just there. Even they smile. Are we ye walk by a Christian. Oh yeah, enemy or who were there. Oh yeah, via me, je via na daji, it's normal. I walk to be Joshua, why boy of ye? I will walk by a Christian and a via, cause one in Ujin dele. Beleya, and they ya no mobobulona, ya no wa calling. No way we cancer there on the cancer yo beya. Eri Jesuna Guin. Erioni wa ya calli. Or what they call it for an home where or woo. Emma yani call the platform where ya fe na erin jesu gien ya. Cause who stopping you from doing bad. Imagine o mano call me maybe we got me o mano e follower me. Nu we me will call the platform and we onaga evil. Wa report mame. Ami caller me where this caller he also they call for Monica. Then he also they call for Dana. Never! Because darkness and light cannot meet. They know they even all these back color, you they see that they come and lie. They can't try it now. Who want give you platform where you can't put your evil? For which house? God forbid, which network? Network no more okutu ni me. Emi ado mujo no wedo mu vo, nu do tali vo ene wejo ino salobo ahun wekete. God forbid. But you waga ke platform where wage ge mano go we savinia. O mano e choir master we. Ge mo ge no tabi bay. Thank you so much that the bush lion. In your where we are blessed and highly favor. Person where you say be your choir master where they sing for you. See evil where they preach, they go, you even know who worry when or he will because worry ya mu make but so. Wa mo pishe Monica mo webe no mo ebe ese. Darkness and light have nothing in common, baby girl. Monica mo we gboto no yawa bo worry me messie. Bo worry me. I know Oibo not die leave anything from you. I know if you go Oibo, papa, mama, godfather, godmother, we die leave. Oh, boy, ne yagbe. Both a cleaning, a live video, keke vigodo. Eh, me yagbe, me yanganya. Oh, howe jaji. Ama kowe were. Imari agbonwe. Agbonwere. Emo ogu semi anwe. Ama we feki asi anwe. Oh, we. Oh, we give ni asi ayo to. We gegi duwe. Agaye evinaya agaye kere obioma jana wa agaye agwalogu wanu wa me jana vi wa so gi mi ogi me vi me ajana egi wa oge family ogi vi me kete we ya oge ne gbugbedo ami mi si ani mo we tewe bu no, I complain argument. I want to hear the truth. I want to know the truth. I want to know. Who go show you that they cool or me? Now go cry tire. I'm not ready to show front of my house, back of my house because mommy go wabu way. You get lovers in any way. Man no me. Get be up me. Etane dedere kobo sisi etari anyway. All demand is say, can I see your pala? You will not see it. Did you join me? Did I put your money there? Are you the one that gave me the money to buy pala that I did not buy? Can I see your front door? Why? Who there? Abiwa leva fly lawa. It's social media people. Hello? Okay, don't do a beg. I be one can do night video. Come advise una say, my people, make una dey careful with all these presenters, motivational speaker they call themselves, where they motivate una. Make una make sure say they are really motivating you guys. So check it. What are they motivating you for? To become a winner, to be interested in winner. Some of you will be doubting another person comfortness. What do you think? I wish you what you wish me. You that is doubting my comfort in UK. I wish you what you wish me. That's one thing your mind is telling you that I am. Wretched, you will forever bear that name forever. Okay? That's one thing where your mind they tell you. Now fake. The happiness you see in me, you say now fake. You will never have that happiness. May my own, where you call fake, may continue to be my life because I'm feeling good with it. Yeah? Please, my people, make sure motivational speaker is motivating you to do better. Please. Don't let them motivate you to become newscaring on people's wealth, on people's comfort, on people's salary. It's none of your business on people's salary. Let them motivate you. Long time ago, I always listen to motivational talk that motivate me to be where I am today. I never even reach where I go, where I go do. But where I am, where the pepper una so, I love it so much. And this why you book bewe because of my easy last can check up. On my easy. And no matter what just na so easy. My dear. Now God do not be magic. I work for it. When you guys were on live video, ringing bell and insulting people with persona, I was busy with husband, planning and digging. This person here say, okay, now person you the answer. You understand me? So I was digging, my dear. I don't dig finish the time where all of una they enter live video day and night. Monica fake life, fake life, fake life. When una they even they run, they go invest for where una not go enjoy just to meet up. I was already investing. You say block Lovely Life. I thought Lovely Life is answering to somebody else. So she's the bad one we are seeing for you. Block. She's blocked. I thought she was answering to somebody. Eh? Please, Mona, not let them delay una now. If you want to do something great, be working for it. Be busy. You cannot have negative mind about me that have worked so hard. You say, may God bless you. You have to be a believer on other people for God to bless you. You can't be putting me down in something you don't know. And you are running to get that thing. Now completed, now you go end. You won't get that joy. Not until you appreciate another person God is doing it for. A lot of you, they there. Una they try not to gather. Some people they try not to walk. Say, hey, make a gather. On the most they try. Penny make it now. Gabe we nene mortgage in Monica. But why la live video got here? Monica. Effect like any nan in waba o wawe kokoni. Wa ege banu wa be ni Jesu. Eternity wa wish. That thing you wish for me now una go de bear. Because for person to do great, you will see people that are doing something. They will motivate you and you will be doing yours. Oh, why you person where they one room go come they evaluate my life. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Person where they one room you go they carry touch, they look people life. Are you okay? Instead of you to face your own. Please. It's a combat studio. Okay, me and see. I never see that one. So combat studio see for you. Okay. She's gone. It's not nice. Please, my lovely people, let motivational speaker motivate you to be great. Let them motivate you and do something wonderful for yourself. There is nothing you cannot do. It just depends on your planning. Check it and plan well. Not because you are not able, you think someone else is not able. Somebody once in this UK that have been here for like 12 years, he won't call me one day and say, we not whatever not get there all these years. And I will be now. In that time, with my brother, or we single mother. And the wawa married better, mama married mana when we ne extra, right? Or when you gonna wa move single mother when we na waje, or when Nigeria, na wawa marry Nigeria, my brother manaje. Okay? Or marry Nigeria. 10 million naira in Nigeria. Igo no wa. But ordinary 10,000 pounds. Be mana. I know what I can do with it if I want to go more harder with it. I know what I can do with it. So that is the difference. For you, when you gather 10,000 pounds, you take it to Nigeria. I will not take it to Nigeria. That is the difference between me and you. Please, don't be using years to count my life for this, my UK. I beg, I not come UK from Nigeria. I just come here, come shop at Duro. God forbid. Oh my God. Please. And they come from another country, where be Europe also. A chata no we money, a chata Africa me close ene. E mana a chata ime. So may you know, if you have 3,000 pounds, you are going to Nigeria, go and invest it and use it and come back here. Me, I will use it here. I will not go nowhere with it. Please, that is the difference between my life and on life. Okay? Please. Don't even want me with Nigeria. I don't need it. I don't need it. Please. If you have heaven and earth in Nigeria, be happy. But mave we gbaro mi ame no we ma no ketie me wa be seven we are mamode. But I know one no work in Nigeria what do atie o ma wa atie we ni mejegi ye kebie we ni ya o my dear. Please. We are 20 euro. is 10,000 naira 2021. And when you are even bringing the 10,000 naira to euro back, it will become 8 euro. Area of Egypt, bringing 10 million to Nigeria, to Europe, it become a many thousands. Yeah. So please, everybody don't do it. Economics, commerce, addition and subtraction of this on life and this and that. And the nena banana kana, America no tanse. America no tanse. They na why if not this one where I don't leak now, na bagasso where we go yesterday be the last food. I don't know. Why will I keep myself for something that is not sure? Who know this man where they want room? If they save money. If they save money, go Nigeria, they build that, make and they one room. It never go now. Me where they talk so, God Almighty is not my portion. But nobody knows tomorrow. So if you see me eating my banga today, let me eat it. It might be my last food. Nobody knows. We all just they pray, make God not let them be. So everything where we don't plan, wait for, make we all enjoy later. So please, any way person carry a life to be, Mona know they use until this first person. Who go Nigeria? If you just go come by, go just start everybody. Many why say we are? Many why say we are? Many why say we are? How many times you don't go Nigeria? How many times you don't go Nigeria? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Nigeria where people they go, they among the way not make some people make them for life. Go Nigeria 2 times in a year. You don't spend 10,000, but a shower money where you gather. If you come back, nothing. The Nigeria. Pata you stay for your hand. If they come, they bring a condo. They can stay person ask for you. Then if they go, money where you work for a whole 6 months, who ya bekwa, money where you work for the other 6 months, who ya bekwa, who we break so everywhere ni buya live. No see anyone na me where of you one or you wa we me work with na me. I what of because anywhere die in where zigo me wa me go na. I'll just carry money. I want to go spend them for Nigeria. Make people for no say I they go Nigeria always. I don't want to go do business there. What is my business to go Nigeria always? When Nigeria 20 euro is 10,000, that 10,000 now go see ordinary tonton. Tonton is not 200 euro for one. 200 naira for one tonton. Pure water is not 100 naira. So before you talk, say, 20 naira can't just be for Nigeria. Pure water, 2019 when I went home for sachet, I not drink, but sachet, where people where they follow us, they drink. It's 10 naira. But today, they say sachet water is 100 naira. 90% 90 increase. So before you say 50 naira, 50 euro, it can't big where think about everything where increase for long. Only God know how much fuel go can be. Only God know how much silly sand land go can be. See, it's a webo agbera oto asokada whether they balance na millions. My people, please. Thank you, my worldwide queen. My own begging, I know say me people not do home. I don't talk like even me where they talk so. Olden days, past glory. I can't talk about that topic tomorrow. We will come and talk about past glory. My past glory then Nigeria. No only house, now una just see. Una say na so rich. Then a weapon a pussy. I can't contain at that time. I not be all these poor people where they follow one boyfriend. Me too. I can't contain. I just contain me what be you see. I get past glory for them. Some day inside bush. Some day on use. Some now completed. I get for them. Past glory. Oh, your river. So please, walao me. No be say your own glory, your own present just start now. We were going like a video of one lovely gallant woman where I looked to. The me and director, my was a kigo. Eta was my eta was 700,000. A less 350,000. Jeep 17 million. Canopy 15 million. Mine is a K million. Hey, Jesus. Oh, one or God, no, a million. That kind one now. Imagine that kind one can't go make problem with her. Eh? You gonna say, yeah. 2 years ago, you don't go to Nigeria. I go to Nigeria. Do you know how much is my time? 15 million. Motor where they carry me, 17 million. You go home, you go the rent car carry me. My Jeep is 17 million. The slippers we are go Nigeria is 35 million. One of my land is 54 million. Anybody will come for Nigeria this time. Mona just take on our time. Mona not go look for their this thing. Mona go look for their trouble. Because we were still the social media. Wagi maamio dela. Mara lo de here. My was a million. Why a million bimawa? Ha? Why we yane? Please, presenter. Wa imi mano my job. Wagi ma where you are that bima. But why we are done? Not be so where you are where you are there or another wako worry. What's so nui? Eh? Who are a million boobies you wow? But take time. And no Nigeria again na million time. Who what take time do I go when no Nigeria there? Who only the back boa? You got booping your wow 15 million. Who be 15 million and beige wow? Ha! Person newly come for Nigeria. Ya do ye million ya belima wa be mana. Egbe me director na ide bewe 1 million. Mane wa gboin. Who no robo 15 million. Imoto 17 million. Berry Eddie Gogano, 35 million. What of a grade? 6 million. A god in the rubber, woman, in our god in work, 54 million. Ah, Jesus, why we are there? And that can Nigeria, while I will go, why do you million yak be more? Why we are there while I will go? Because my say million pan I have ya minamian 5 million, 54 million, 74 million, 100 million. Do ye million yak be more me man la will walk be. Are we bury the million thousand army. Understand we now. We have an million. You be me be football a professional. Eh? Obi women na be a football professional. I me a million. So I said they yes the million. They do million. Na million for year, been a million for year. Take your time, oh, do this boy. Take your time. Now you go to look. Where go on that way for where a saga. But way. You where je no kokomo. Magu je no kokomo we a saga je no kokomo. Oh yere ake go ne we okay. E passe na hin. E pa oh even dane me ya yo po kan go me. Wa do go man we a million go. Wa do go we na. Me ze calculate there na ke rock no 7 billion. O hem we ke boy na. Ah go a million we go we saga. Who no win where? What is that? Jesus Christ. Here we saga a passport. I may finish on you. Oh, a million saga wa la wa social media na. This boy, take your time, oh. Somebody just coming from million country and you want to come and talk. Only was say because by tomorrow, ina be million, you tell me na ti kaya daweji. I daweji was your million rena. Ha, wetin? Ha, lao. O bien million here boy. Umana so ho na e. Na ge ye million ya do ya ni mayo. Ha. My people, mona go sleep. I don't know whether the thing do not like that. Me and director today, my is a million we Johnny we may tika na ogumeka or fe korio de billion. But a boy no na ye continue na vie million penny me on a ou bien million mi agbuwe. Egbe wa wo guje nu kokomo we saga. Oh, je nous comme la moi pense là dedans pense 10 pounds 20 pounds 30 pounds this is money oh damn baby I'll still go carry me you say speak English see me oh my brother I'll still enter me I'll go touch pounds we million do we o salo boy wa me million mi ana mi million la we get do 30 my man do are Nigeria be million because we boy me million ma make ya wu ake me million am win a lot throw obi we gbe ball am na ti wa we van forget I me million thousand hour rotate so for me my gbo I don't do let be that we million I bo yana do wa kun ko do I 20 me million we boy cash ma you akwe me 100,000 so no mamu na do we do I 20 do ye million gbele ma wa what take your time bye bye my people go 3,000 million take your time oh boy now take your time. Quand les 5 millions noirs, when I imagine oui, ma yagwa. Oh, Amara, so you don't like this platform, you don't go to. This platform is for lovely, lively people, okay? We know they do hard feeling for you. If you get hard feeling, they go. Ah, what do I sing when they're young? When I get when they're my wujino. Or what would you eh? At the sport, not at the sport, what I mean? I just Rio Guji Saba Guji Winere or say not a bang. Ibane o Baba ne Baba Winere Bebe Kenny Cow Egian Bebe Baba ne Baba La Wajino Jurium. Ikata de Vederio. Emani make away saga in you one. Betty Wawe eo, Eminu Wogele do wakakabo, so me a junta me we laila, ni mi aja junta. Waga o fendon a white jun waya ya tiny me. Because I'm you my name ne kue. Uwe managi kue. Nwe. Oh ya asa koso wo nyanwe. Nogi men we onweri awa. Okay? Because in winere ma ogboma. Igi gwa lo thank God make me ya mina. Even so mina. Iya mina mi winere. Iya ke do egwebo. So in winere na Meme ni mekere la video na o eme umede ime tolo wede ime mi ni na dade o ime mi na mi o ma de we o ye la video na hin ina do mi na mi mana gbina awa ya wa wona phone pe ya wa se you we pe de body oni ri mi di ma ri mi iwa wo very no gri ya ibe mi na mi ya Imina mi vie social media si ni na mo botie bo ni agbe because I here wana ni ya unu ya je imina mi ya nya ma egbe me de so ye wa wi minere fo na wa gbiyan unwe ni yon tan aya gbiyan de agbiyan ze wi yan ye mi ya zo eso do amon li gbegbe we get na yin wa mi li gbegbe we you re yan do we re na titi eso e wa sepe e wi ye wa we re na ligo Bami minere. We have a muna. Again, me nothing minere. A lashi, we gani okpa we no. Ni me nothing minere mi awaro usion. Lele. Ememe o yo komi yo. We tati minere u dohin or yo komi yo kokokoko. Iwa yere minere. Ede amuya ya hoju. Ede amuya rejoshon. Ede amuya bano. Ede amuya bobo juwe. Eni atie nu wa minere. Sa bokpan yin. When wa a dark boa here. E presenta, e jai wa mu, e ya wa ineke di neo, po, ora up biane ya we, o when ye swim juwe, e me re, ya me swim juwe, ma here of the dead. O here of the dead. Ora wone ya wa when ye swim ye distin, Kene make me abo when you sue me a distance. I'm away money wa make me abo wa. Sanera me discussion. And you know, Jory, de no, this I have here break away. Huh? Eh, me wayere o. Iwinere. Iyari Joshua. I am boy. Eso we enwe ora nwame o si eyen ga nwame ni ageso o nwene na mawa o maybe ya nwame o ya degbe o because iyan tie yo ora nwame mi ogogo ora nwame mi ogogo hey Jimmy nwinere o the one we I don't fair do pass I don't tell una say I am very sorry if you not take okay. Make you too never ever offend person. If you offend person, if you spit for ground, you don't offend ground. Ground go ask you. Because me I offend you, I say I am sorry because if you not my bon, me my winner again te tale do we talk bon. Again me ya en we parable. Again winner talk bon. O question we me na le. Me le o si until today. O mama pien me o. I ma to we bo. I mo abo. E so in winner Russia, you know, a solicitor is Jesus Christ. We must say it. Excuse me. Now, sorry, because excuse me. No we magi over yo. Ojebe na go mono iduzua. Akma wa gege wa khian. Akma wa khian. Obi ohan. We are no we are unu poje. Oh, we that by 40 years. Akma je na akme dokbo love again mana one day. Hiji. Okay. Akma wa khian. Boss ye inwinere. Uwe yam we gbe. Yam we bog bebe ran vi. My wani wa mi okpe ba. O wa gege wa ladian. Okay. We sanira me. Na ibe ko motivation ma. O ware asoyo, afule yo. Oh, we ye oh ye kaloji These are not ordinary men. Let's forget about it. These are not ordinary behavior whether they behave. I may want to want me up here. Oh, where we're to Vienna. Oh, come la video. Anyway, I'm a I want to I swear to God. If you never resign, like seriously, bye. You too, your eye not go open. By the time you really resign, you go consider and say, oh, come who can you have a trademark? Oh, what your brother? What no? Oshodi. Hey, God, this is. I don't understand. We are getting my nothing in there. Oh my God. Hey, yame. Original. In winere. Oye, mani boom. Naked den ya la with social media na. In winere. Etin ya appreciate. Not be said that we appreciate. Say, repent. God is coming soon. It was a nere. Ekbui. Yana mwela di. Emere ma, emere ona wa wujina. Game ya uve ejebo. Ona wa awa wo e ubana. Okay, my people. Now, good night. I love you so much. Hello, my Olivia. You are just coming. Please watch it from beginning. Thank you so much, my people. This week too, I shall bring it daybreak because many people don't sleep now. Tomorrow, we'll discuss it again. Okay? And my pay show, please, Mona, go pay. Please. Please, Mona, pay. If you not fit pay from Facebook, pay from behind. Do you know the first behind person we pay today? It will surprise you. Esther Izobo. Can you imagine? Darling, you're going to be on front seat. Front early morning today. She was the first to pay from back. Then followed by Mama. Then the rest. Okay, please keep coming before you know say barcode they get limitation. It go come finish. But before then, try and be there. God will bless you. It's 20 euro. God will bless you as you do, my people. Yeah? Now pay show we really water. If you know water, when I can see, okay, something God revealed to redeem. God that revealed this pay show we want to go listen to. He knows what he's doing. Come and listen. Now so you go say, Agmona. Yeah, you are your mama. I may die you with a basic coma. Bagmona na give white Jenna. No, in the social media one morena, why this type of I don't understand. Pray I don't be part of them in Jesus' name. If you know say you be presenter, go pray. Say this rotten basket where they put all of and say, God, take me out of it. It is rotten basket. I don't know how you guys got involved. Was it money? Was it hatred? Were you bribe? Did you take something that now make them to have grip over you? I don't know. Why? They get so much power on you guys. Bye. Okay, block Edda Wilson. You need to get Guala before I come up for you. My phone don't even wait. One Edda no Edda Wilson we will no bell. Bell nya because it matter where we platform now go gitaba. Come on for here. Platform na one. This is just the beginning. One will call it a platform. Wow. Okay, it's 22 euro. 22 euro. That means 20 pounds. I think it's 19 pounds. I don't know how Facebook take bring a come. So it now be 22 euro for on our side. Okay. They don't put the they don't put the picture. La washe gume. Okay. Okay, come be $27. Wow. Who can't die now? One man die. Winere don't kill her. Platform where they keep us. Sauba la wo where the man who you me platform where my yare platform. Me na me me kugu we go. Be able who ni blessing me blessing yaga me. Veni Jesus Christ no nyama. Ah mi ehima. Iyan hiamu wiyan wo. We platform iyan hana enye. Dan veni Jesus. So ahead. Now we go in Jesus' name. Tomorrow we shall give another 10 people giveaway. 10 people giveaway tomorrow. More good news to come to us. Mare niyaje. God forbid. Iwa minere. Again, ya di minere one kobo. Imami be Facebook. Ni me wa ya re poje minere. Arun pake kan oye. O ma no si me. Na me we she dey hold me. She's owing me. She have to pay me. Finish. The rest. When you are troubling me, you are troubling yourself. Because I don't know you before. You who wasn't my friend, I don't know now. Ekio me gwan na ewe wa ga gwan do pike na ge doti. O si even lele ranviri. Okay? Ima wai. Wa ga gwan me piki si enu wa ogu wa wata ogu me mevita wala wa be sogo mi eme. Talk your own, I talk my own. You understand? But one person now I need to pay me. Now, the rest is none of my business. A lawyer now, don't reply. Now solicitor, she go to now let that one pay me you. A Google typewriter. You have to Google it. Why will she take Gordon and Thompson solicitor? And the solicitor can't get no we no pay for on that. Hey Jimmy. Again now he copy me. We are la money here. Where they were greater thing than Monica. If I say I don't get this one, before you say you don't get. If I said why you never do give away. Do give away the way 10, 5,000, 10 people, 50,000. Ma vek polo na. Ou mi go ya we? Do na, may you do fake one. Share them for your sisters. Tomorrow I'm doing another 5,000 to 10 people giveaway. Please, if you know, say raise your hand. Last time, don't start writing number again, please. If you do, I don't know you, but Baba God know you. It is bad. Okay? Giveaway not mean say one person go they take on. That is not giveaway. I know they know who they take on. I don't know. But let other people, when no still take, after all, we never grow now, small now. I pray we grow that we will be able to give 5,000 to 100 people one day. God bless you. And meanwhile, last time I do, somebody supported me. Can you imagine? A lady supported me with 20,000. While I was giving, he said, I use this to support you. You see? Monica, I go kill you. Somebody, are in Destiny, say, hey, you're in Destiny, when we're telling me little everywhere here. 22 euro a pay show where how much be film where my children go watch? Monica and Amber go watch film for weekend. 18 pounds 50. 18 pounds 50. 18 pounds 50. Children, I give 2 of them. No be popcorn and the enemy where they do where they eat for them. This one take 30 pounds, this one take 30 pounds. Small money now can follow the entire. Children still go enjoy themselves once in a month or once in a while when they have fun. What about you, dear mother? All this live video, pay show to hear liberation. Is it not what we are giving to ourselves? I just believe, say that you're, now because say maybe you don't really get. If you get and you say, enjoy it, boy. It's like a film show. Take it like that. It's like a Netflix. I know say Netflix now 1 year. It's like a wish film where we the people watch film for this thing. Film for what did they call them? Amazon Prime. Most film for them, they are not free. And film where they caca. Sometimes they pay put. Sometimes I'll pay €4. I'll tell what the film I really like. And sometimes they look for free ones. Still they go. It's the same thing. But if I see the one where newly come and where I know say I really like, sometimes they'll say 7 something. Sometimes €11 to watch some film. I just click it and I pay with television and I watch. Please, sometimes I might the not working. I might the not working, Jimmy. When my she died at the age of 64 years. I still believe all the react money. But thank God, before that 64 years, that woman, she shop life. She no suffer. She shop life. Imagine all those mother will say, I will shop life when I don't old. Mamie, or te seke nona old, don't take back. But before then, she used everything, excess. She shop life. Ekenemi na hona ye. Meye fridge yale unwome. A bush meeting no adore fresh. For akai wo wa gbela ya le stew aya lunwome aya anything e gile ke gbobi okan ke zolo. And that guy no very like 64 years I take bane. Why some people they cry because their mama just book boy was again I wear about one and not wow. So please, nobody knows tomorrow. Don't explain Yeki. Thank you. I go come, no worry about that. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. I just they try to encourage other people out there why you should enjoy yourself sometimes. Yeah? And this place show the audio you will come and listen to. Who we are now with Monica. Eriak Bongije. Eriak Bongije Jeme. Eriak Bongije. Please. Bye. Thank you so much. Love you all. Love you so much. If you know you are my prayer warrior, Wave your hand to Papa God 7 times. Say hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Wherever you are, God is great. We continue to disgrace our enemy. This is not ordinary. Oh my, what call it the live video? Ordinary. Okbe na ke tie. We manga jun tie. E papa na gele gia we maso. No magi fi where ye. No Yoe! Yoe! Go sleep. This way. Make them no cry put now. Wait till they want cry put now. Now me first start patient. Mokyo denia ya. Make them no cry put. If not be me, we work out for social media, for Facebook to make sure say I bring all this thing where everybody can they run follow. No. Anybody no be measure. Or social media. Or hear me and your work. Because they know I be measure ba oh Jeff pressure and they all work as soon na condemn me oh why ya ka condemn me but in my years yo why you be me be na I don't worry about you guys, so don't worry about mine. I build my platform. You not help me to build it. You not help me to build it. When I was building my platform, many of them say I be na my supporter they spoil me. Yank be me ye wo oh ma mo nyak be me. Monyak be me moye niak be me jide no mano dem no mano me le gami no mano IVSC on ye yan de no ma me yak be me je me no ma. I dey sleep well, I dey wake up well, my children I taffle husband they carry my leg, my hand, my everywhere. I don't become boko kolo. But ye ke de last ka check up. I beg you don't. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Love you. Oh, Godfather, Lulu, Brice, and every other person that were giving me saying, press up, press up, press up, press up for you guys. Press up for you guys. Thank you. Who died? Watch the video from beginning. Surprise, surprise. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye. God bless you. Bye. Good night. Good night, director. Director, shout hallelujah to Master Jesus. Unya ya teve. No we worry me di unya ya teve. No. Unya ya teve. Kasi ma me mi okpani unya e. Amaso man ogbero vo beti ngwina jo. Ason wa ven na ngwina. Wa mami me no we are this. Wana me ngwina kpani you. No we are this. Ah. Oh my God. Bye.